have some breaking news coming in. The first reaction from Rajnikanth himself, who has just now tweeted stating, and I quote, "My heartfelt thanks to the government of India, respected and dearest Narendra Modi ji, Prakash Javadekar ji and the jury for conferring upon me the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award. I sincerely dedicate it to all those who have been a part of my journey." Let's go across to my colleague Apurva now joining us live with more on this. Apurva, the first reaction coming in from Rajnikanth himself.
Well, that's right. Dadasaheb Phalke Award had been conferred to the superstar Rajnikanth. We had also seen several other prominent faces from across the political as well as from the film industry congratulating Rajnikanth on the same. And now we are also seeing the superstar who is giving his reaction. He's also saying he conveys his heartfelt thanks for having been received the award. He says he is honored to have received the award. Remember, Rajnikanth has been one of the most important film fraternities here in the state of Tamil Nadu as well as for India, with having a film career that has lasted almost more than 4 decades. The last time the Dadasaheb Phalke Award was conferred to Amitabh Bachchan, and now it is Rajnikanth who has been conferred with the award. He has expressed a heartfelt thanks for the award that has been conferred to him. In fact, he has also written a letter from his side as well, where he has said that not only am I extremely grateful for this award, but he also goes on to say that this definitely does show that artists are being recognized for their hard work. He says this is not only going to be a stepping stone, but it is also going to be prove yet time and again that artists will be rewarded for their work. And this is a statement that is coming in from Rajnikanth. Remember, Rajnikanth was expected to step into politics, but owing to COVID he had stepped out from entering into the political scenario, and now with yet again a most prestigious award here that has been conferred to him, he has not only said that he is extremely grateful for the award, but he also says that I sincerely dedicate it to all those who have been a part of my journey. So definitely that's Rajnikanth, yet again the superstar, dedicating his award for the people. He also